Fundamentally, what we do requires that we are in multiple places at once, and my primary job is to motivate people, show them how excellence in service and performance in medicine can be achieved, and then take that message through their actions to our patients, to our staff, to our institution. Just say yes is my mantra. Very often we're asked to do things that are out of our routine, and sometimes that can feel like an imposition, especially in a critical care service like anesthesiology, when the hours are long and the intensity is high. It's so much easier to find reasons to not do something, and it's always something that you regret afterwards. Of course, I feel undeserving and absolutely humbled, especially considering my colleagues who are the competition. I'm very proud as well, because really winning this award doesn't reflect on me alone. I'm here as the leader of a very dedicated group of physicians and nurse anesthetists that have allowed me to represent them throughout the institution and guide their services in the support of others. And so, while I don't feel deserving, I know that my team is very deserving, and I do share this award with them and rest on their shoulders.